Okay, today we're going to do a brief discussion over the cardinal directions. Now the four main directions are also known as the cardinal directions, and they are north, south, east, and west. North always points toward the North Pole, and south always points towards the South Pole. When you're facing north, east is always to your right, and west always to your left. Now using this desk map, I'm going to go ahead and make a set of arrows here, so that way it's easier for you to see, and I'll label them appropriately. North, south, east, and west. And we're going to take a look at how some of these countries or continents are related to each other based on direction. Now looking at our country, the United States, which is located here, Canada is to the north, Mexico is to the south, the Atlantic Ocean is to the east, and the Pacific Ocean is to the west. Now to reference a few other things, if we look at the continents, if we said which continent is east of Europe, that means we would start in Europe and look to see what is east. If we look due east, that is Asia. Asia is this whole continent here, and it is east of Europe. If we asked which continent was west of Europe, we would start in Europe, head directly west, and we would see that North America is west. Now one thing you need to understand, though, is that no matter what direction you turn the map, the directions always remain the same. So if we took this map and we turned it over, you would find that all of the directions, even though you're looking at it upside down, are still correct. So if you look at our compass here, north still points towards the North Pole, south still points towards the South Pole. So all of the continents are still in the same direction from each other, and it doesn't change anything. Another way to say that, if you were in a room and you were facing north, if you turned around and faced south, the directions don't change. You're still facing south. So the same concept with a map. Now that is a brief rundown of the cardinal directions. At a later time in the year, we will use the intermediate directions, which would be northeast, southeast, and so on.